All right, guys, here's an 8K sample from the S24 FE. Don't know how this is going to turn out, but looks like through the viewfinder it's pretty smooth. No wind filter on, no external mic or anything, just me recording, holding the phone. 8K 30, really impressive. All right, guys, here's a 4K 30. Really sweet. The S24 FE is a really amazing phone. Let's give you a shot of the engine bay here. Get some of that heat because the wind's blowing and it is a little cool out here. 65 degrees, nice and sunny, but still, it's a cool one. You can do wide angle when you have it on just regular 4K. 8K, there's no wide angle lens. You just only get to use the one lens. How does the audio sound on this thing, man? I'm not using pro video or anything. I'm just using the regular video. And shoot, I know the car looks good. What about the quality of the video, though? That's the wide angle lens. Let's go back to the regular. Then let's do telephoto in 3 times. Nice little snap. All right. Every time I come out to record, a car always pulls up and they just park off in the distance. Seems like every time. I mean, they don't know me or anything, I don't think, but it seems like every time I want to record and it's quiet, I end up getting caught by someone when I come over to this location. But there it is, man. That's the car. 4K 30. Now, 1080p 30 is obviously the ultimate way to record. Let me get that wide angle real quick. This is 1080p wide angle. 1080p is what a lot of people should record at. There's really no need to do 4K. People have 4K TVs now, but a lot of people still have regular TV, if you will. They only have like 1080p TVs or 720p. So that's something to take note of. So I always wanted to see what each one looks like. It's kind of windy out too. Not too windy, but windy enough. And again, I'm sure the microphone should be doing pretty good. Not doing pro video or anything, like I said. It's just a regular video. I will do some portrait video out here though, because I like portrait video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to switch to portrait video right now. All right, here's portrait video. Looks really good through the viewfinder. There's the vet back there. Wow, this camera is impressive, man. Really impressive. That's a really nice shot. And then I could change the filters right now, real time for you. Which is what I like. So I can go to a different one here. Check that out. That's the color filter. Gotta love that joint. And the last one is that really weird glitch like on a TV screen. But yeah, man, this portrait video, this thing is killing it, man. This is killing. This is really good for vlogging too. I can't wait to watch this on the replay so I can look at how the audio is, because remember, I'm not using any kind of external microphone, just my keys right here. That's it. Wow, that is beautiful to have me in focus. And this is the front camera too. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to the rear camera and see how the blur looks. All right, here's the rear camera shooting with the phone. You can see the car back there. And here's the rear camera shooting a portrait video. Wow, I'm pretty sure it's going to be really solid. I've learned that the rear cameras are a little bit more punchy indoors than the front camera. But I like having a viewfinder, so I'm going to switch back to the front camera and finish out the video. So real quick, here's portrait video of the car on the rear camera. Look at the background, how the background of the houses are blurred out. That is like a real nice cinematic look. Oh, that's beautiful. Car's in full frame, background's blurred. Doesn't get any better than that. Ooh. All right, so there it is, man. This is a camera review for the Galaxy S24 FE. If you're a person who really wanted an affordable setup, this is it, man. This thing is really nice. Can't stress enough. Wow, through the viewfinder, it looks flawless, man. I'm pretty sure it's going to look really good. To get a really good depth effect, you need to have something way back in the subject, in the background, and that's why you can see the vet back there is back in the background, and you have me as the subject. So my glasses are the auto tinting. These are my prescription glasses, so they tint when I'm out in bright light. So you can see just a little bit of my eyes, or probably none, but this is a beautiful effect, man. And sheesh, I'm telling you, this thing looks good. Look at the color contrast on the building and stuff. I mean, this is just sweet, really sweet. So hope you guys enjoy. There's a lot of street racing going on. I'm about to get out of here, go back to the house, because I don't want anybody to try to run up on me. But I wanted to show you the cameras on the Galaxy S24 FE, and wow, these things are incredible. I'll probably just upload this in 1080p. Obviously, I can't do that. I can do 8K, but nobody can watch it, so maybe I'll do 1080p for the full upload. But we shall see. Here comes more cars. You can see them out there in the distance. Look at that. All right, guys, take care.